Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Beetle Sport. The VW Beetle rekindled the magic of its legendary namesake and became a ray of sunshine in an all-too-serious car market. The Volkswagen Beetle is among the top 10 best-selling nameplates of all time, ranking right up there with the Ford Model T in terms of numbers sold. The design of Volkswagen's Beetle captures the essence of the original bug. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, XM satellite radio, AM/FM stereo with CD player, premium sound system, FWD, MP3 player, power door locks, power windows, auxiliary audio input, push button start. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.